Hello, everyone. In a normal year, I will be shaking your hands on the platform on the UVM green, but it hasn't really been a normal year so far. So I had decided to shoot a short video in my backyard from my new field research location that also didn't pan out for various reasons. But I took a couple of pictures for you. Uh, so I hope that after 4 years of taking many geology courses, you will be able to identify the rock in the picture and take a quick sketch of it with scale and email all that to me so that we can give you your diploma. You have about 5 seconds to do that right now. Anyhow, it was great having you in the department for 4 years, and I wish you best luck with all your future adventures. Congratulations again.
Hi, graduates. Just wanted to say thanks for being with us the last couple of years and great luck as you move on from UVM. Really sorry we can't be there to say congratulations in person, but we know you guys will all go on to do good things as UVM geology graduates.
Hi, everybody. Congratulations on graduating this year. I really enjoyed having all of you in class, and I wish you the best of luck for the future. Congratulations.
Hi everybody, congratulations on your graduation from the UVM Geology Department program. I want to wish you all the best in your future endeavors, and please come back and visit us whenever you can. The doors are always open for you. Congratulations.
Salut! Félicitations à tous, vous le méritez vraiment. Bravo, bravo pour votre graduation.
Alles Gute und ich hoffe, ihr könnt ganz viel feiern. Ihr habt's verdient. Go celebrate. We wish we could throw you an amazing party. We'll do this another time.
Yes, we will definitely. And don't be strangers.
I'm so proud of you. Not only are you incredibly bright students, but you're just really wonderful people too. And so as you go forth, I know these are uncertain times at the moment, but I want you to be sure to envision a bright future for yourself because the world needs you. You've got tremendous skills, and whether you use them in geology or not, I know you're going to go on and do great things. So please keep in touch, and congratulations.